Hi and welcome to my video. This is Missyblack Pal, and I'm going to be making a face scrub with just few stuff I have at home. I have honey, I have lemon, I have yogurt and sugar. That's what I'm going to use for this scrub. Just trying something new. So what I will do first, I'm going to put some sugar, just a spoon. I'm going to add yogurt, that's a tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of yogurt, like a spoon, tablespoon or a teaspoon of honey, and then we're gonna add some drops of lemon. Oops. And then we're gonna mix well. I can use this for the face, for the neck, and your arms, your hands. So I will let it sit for some time and then clean my face and then apply it, scrub my face with it. So to continue, after making the scrub, my own scrub, I'm going to wash my face. I'm using my Nivea cream soft. That's what I use for my body, and I have other stuff, but still I like using this for cleaning and all. So I'm going to use this. I have washing cloth and this, so I'm going to wet it a little bit, and then I'm going to put some of the Nivea a little bit on the washing cloth. And I don't do this often, but now and then I like doing it to remove, I think, all the dirty in the skin. You will feel when so. All like dead skins, to remove them. Okay. After that, I wash the soap away from the washing cloth and just wipe my face. It actually looks really clean, as you can see. And now I'm going to take, it's not really thick, it's kind watery. This is the mixture I made earlier with just a few minutes ago with yogurt, honey, sugar, and lemon. So I will apply this on my face. As you know, honey soothes the skin and helps from irritation. So yogurt, as it's good for our health, is also good for our skin. So I apply this until my, my neck. So, and then I'm going to leave it for some few minutes before I reason it out. At least to work a little bit, and then let it sit for like 10 minutes, and then we come back to reason it out. So now, after sitting for some few minutes, I'm going to rinse it out because it's starting to be sticky. I don't want it to be dry completely. So for this tutorial, I think I won't let it sit that long. Now I'm going to clean it out. So the skin is really looking fresh, glowing. After this, you can just apply any cream of your moisturizing cream of your choice. Wear your makeup, and then you're good to go. You've done something to your skin. You've treated your skin. You look great. And I mean, that's just a short tutorial on a homemade scrubbing. Not really, it has not much scrub, but a treat to your skin. To feel fresh and to feel good. So now I'm just going to apply my moisturizing cream. I put Nivea. Normally Nivea is good for me in all always. That's how I've been doing. I've been using Nivea like over 20 years because I have really a sensitive skin, which doesn't like accept or go with different creams. I've tried different ones, but it's really irritates. It makes my skin rough. It's just putting some stuff looks so unhealthy. So I just stick with Nivea the whole time, and yeah, that's all I use on my body. So that's how it is. Maybe I will just put my makeup on my face right now, and then we go from there. So I'm going to do these eyebrows. Yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. Normally, I like using mostly like the the brush, but I don't have the color, so I'm using the pencil. It does the job, but not as accurate as I wanted to. When I do it with my brush kit, I think it looks more better with the kit more than a pencil. But well, it's doing the job. So for that, I'm going to now to do the cleaning up. Yeah, you know, sometimes I really forget to talk when I'm doing makeup on camera. So because I'm too concentrated to do this right, and I just forgot that I'm on camera and I need to say something. Anyway, bear with me as I'm not a profession. I like just doing my makeup, and that's how I do my eyebrows. So I think you learned something. Face treatment with home remedy, and then eyebrow setting, doing, working on them. So that's how I do my eyebrow. That's how I treat my face once a week normally. And when not, then every more than a week I do something, because I'm too lazy to do stuff every time on my face, like treatment or something. So when I think about it, then I do it. It's not like a regular thing. So I just wanted to show you sometimes how I treat my face when I feel like doing it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I am looking forward to grow this channel really, 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 really fast, as it has been taking so long. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, support your girl, and put your notification bell on. That way you'll be informed when I post a new video. Thank you for chilling with me and watching my video and supporting me. Thank you for those subscribers who have been supporting me and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you to the next one. Bye. Mwah.